I stopped the camera because I thought it was done, but I'm gonna sneeze again. I was right. I left the window open for a while last night. I'm gonna sleep right under a window. So I've been really like tickly and sneezy all day. I honestly have been for days, honestly. I'm gonna sneeze. Ew. And they've been like really teasing. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. Fuck. Excuse me. So I got a tripod, as you can probably tell, seeing as my arms are above my head, but this is actually going to give me a lot of flexibility as far as doing stuff like this. Yeah. This is actually going to be a few little videos that I spliced together, because in between I actually turned the camera off and on with my toe. So, you know, it came with a remote, but my toe is attached and doesn't need to be charged. So I guess this one's going to be a little bit of a talkie. Actually, you know what? I just changed my mind. I'm not going to splice them together. I'm just going to leave them like this. Yeah, so this is going to give me a lot of flexibility, especially because I started a, so I did the coffee, like the KO-FI, and then switched over to Buy Me a Coffee because they have an app amongst other, like reasons. I'm gonna sneeze soon. And so if I'm going to have like a membership deal, I want to be able to give people like membership content. And so this is actually a very, very, very small sampling of, there it is, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. Wait, I really have to sneeze, fuck. Excuse me. So this is like a little taste of what the memberships would come with. I'm gonna put the link on my channel. And so I definitely would appreciate it. You know, any support helps. Actually, with the support from 2 people that I already got, I was able to purchase this tripod. So, you know, I would say that probably about at least 75, at least like 50 to 75% of the income from that is going to go right back into making the videos. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. I have to sneeze again. Excuse me. So at least 50 to 75% of the income from that is actually going to go right back into like stuff like this, equipment and just fun stuff, to be able to give you, you know, a variety of interesting, hopefully wankable content. There will be an option to purchase videos that do feature waist up nudity. That's something that I'm pretty comfortable with, honestly. And if the price is right, I have been definitely considering selling options to see my face. So yeah, and I really want to branch out and get more creative with what I'm doing on here. I'm gonna sneeze. I have to sneeze, fuck. Oh, it's teasing me. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. Excuse me. Okay. I think I need to get some water. So I'm gonna cap this here, at least for now. But yeah, that's kind of an update on what's been going on. There will be a lot of options for like personalized content and stuff like that. So, oh god, I'm rubbing my nose. Including like light bondage and stuff like that. I think I have one more, sorry. Two more. So yeah, so I'm really excited for what's to come, and I hope to see you guys, you know, on the Buy Me a Coffee page. And yeah, all right. Y'all have a good one, okay? Stay safe out there. All right.